In terms of both sales volume and cultural influence, few vehicles can claim the kind of dominance that the Ford F-150 has achieved in America. The story of how this truck came to be is one of continuous improvement, innovation, and hard work. From its inception, back in 1948 up until today, it's been a true reflection of the American work ethic. Join us as we take you behind the scenes at Ford's assembly plant, where the F-150 is made. You might not think there are many jobs that require the precision and finesse of brain surgery, but assembling an F-150 definitely requires equal parts skill and steady hands. Every worker on the line has undergone rigorous training before being allowed anywhere near the production floor. They know exactly what they need to do and when to do it. It's this level of expertise that enables them to assemble an F-150 every 60 seconds on the Rouge Electric Vehicle Center S-line, which includes body and paint shops, and to fully synchronize general assembly lines. To get into the zone and stay in the zone, each team member wears a pair of noise-canceling headphones, which also allow them to communicate with each other through a radio system. Now let's follow a new Ford F-150 from the moment it arrives on the production line. First up, the frame and cab arrive at the body shop ready for assembly. A robotic arm picks up the frame and places it on a moving conveyor belt that carries it to the next station where the front and rear clips are attached. These components are attached by specialized robots. To ensure the quality of these robots' welds, they undergo regular calibration checks. You never know when a tiny misalignment could cause a disaster. Once the clips are securely welded into place, it is time to move on to the stamping area where the body panels will be fixed to the frame. But before that, there's a quality control check. Each step of the way, the F-150 is checked to ensure it meets the high standards set by Ford. If any issues are identified, the problem is solved before the vehicle moves on. Once the frame has passed this crucial inspection, it's time to attach the body panels. This part of the process requires skilled technicians who use specialized tools to lift and secure the panels into position. It's a delicate operation that needs precision and care to avoid any misalignments. As the body of the vehicle takes shape, another set of robots comes into action, welding the various panels together. Their movements are precise and efficient, ensuring that each panel is firmly attached to the frame. As the robots weld the body panels into place, another team of technicians works tirelessly to attach all the smaller components such as the bumpers, mirrors, and door handles. These small but essential parts are what will make the final product feel complete and ready for the road. With the body now complete, it's time to move on to the painting stage. Here, a team of expert painters apply a protective coating to the vehicle's exterior. They use advanced techniques and high-quality paints to ensure that the finish is smooth and long-lasting. No detail is too small for them to consider. Whether it's a sunny day or a rainy one, the weather doesn't matter, because this huge structure known as a paint-bake oven removes moisture from the air. It ensures that the paint job is always perfect. Once the paint has dried, the team conducts a thorough inspection to identify any imperfections. Any blemishes must be rectified before the vehicle progresses to the next phase of production. After the inspection, the fully assembled truck emerges from the oven, shiny and ready for its final touches. It makes its way to the next station where the wheels are attached. Technicians carefully align the wheels with the body, making sure everything is perfect before moving on to the final assembly line. Here, workers install the bed and perform additional checks to make sure everything is in order. Now it's time for the finishing touches. The technicians add all the final touches that make this truck look like the real deal, including the tailgate and any additional accessories. These final steps are just as important as the ones before it, and the team works with precision to ensure that every detail is perfect, that the F-150 is fully assembled. It has time to put it through a series of rigorous tests to ensure it is in perfect working order. The first test is the famous shake test, where the vehicle is subjected to a variety of vibrations and shocks to check its durability. Engineers monitor the readings closely to identify any potential issues that need to be addressed. Next, the F-150 undergoes a water test, where it's sprayed with thousands of gallons of water at high pressure to simulate heavy rain or even a car wash. This helps identify any leaks or other water-related issues that could affect the vehicle's performance. Finally, the truck is put through a series of functional tests, where technicians check all the vehicle's systems to make sure they're reworking properly. This includes checking the lights, windows, doors, and all the other features that make the F-150 a top-of-the-line vehicle. But the journey doesn't end here. Once the truck passes all the tests, it's time for the final inspection. Here, a team of inspectors conduct a final check to identify any defects before the vehicle is released. They examine every aspect of the truck, from the interior to the exterior, making sure it meets Ford's high standards. If any issues are identified, the truck is sent back to the production line for immediate rectification. But if it passes the inspection, it's time for the ultimate test, the road test. A team of professional drivers takes the F-154 a spin on a variety of roads and highways to make sure it drives smoothly and safely. They test the steering, braking, and acceleration to ensure everything is in perfect working order. With the truck's design and functionality perfected, it's time to bring in the X factor that sets it apart from other trucks' power. At the heart of the F-150's appeal is its powerful engine options. Ford offers a range of engine choices, including a hybrid option that caters to different customer needs and preferences. But regardless of which engine option customers choose, they can rest assured that they're getting a powerhouse that can handle any task. When it comes to power, the F-150 doesn't disappoint. With a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds and a payload capacity of up to 2 tons, this truck can haul just about anything. Whether you're towing a trailer or transporting heavy equipment, the F-150 has the power to get the job done. And with its advanced four-wheel drive system, you can be sure that you'll have the traction you need to handle any terrain. One of the things that really sets the F-150 apart is its advanced technology. From its user-friendly infotainment system to its comprehensive driver assist features, this truck has it all. The infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, making it simple to stay connected and entertained on the go. Meanwhile, the driver assist features such as lane keeping and adaptive cruise control provide an added layer of safety and convenience. So whether you're looking for a powerful workhorse or a reliable daily driver, the F-150 has you covered. With its combination of power, capability, and advanced technology, it's no wonder that the F-150 is the best-selling vehicle in America. After passing the road test, the truck is officially ready for delivery. The entire process of assembling the F-150 from start to finish is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the engineers, technicians, and inspectors who work tirelessly to produce one of the best-selling vehicles in America. From the precision of the robots to the expertise of the technicians, every step of the way reflects the commitment to quality and excellence that is made. Ford F-150, a household name, but the story doesn't end here. F-150 has a rich history dating back to 1948 when it was first introduced. Over the years, it has evolved and improved, incorporating the latest technology and design elements to meet the changing needs of its customers. Today, it stands as a symbol of American engineering power, a vehicle that is not only built in America, but also embodies the spirit of innovation and hard work that has made the country famous worldwide. And so the next time you see an F-150 roaring down the highway,
I'll remember
the countless hours of work and dedication that went into making this powerful machine. From the engineers who designed it to the technicians who assembled it, every person involved played a part in creating a vehicle that is not only admired by car enthusiasts, but also relied upon by hardworking Americans who demand the best from their trucks. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the amazing process of how the Ford F-150 is made. If you're a fan of American engineering and innovation, be sure to check out our other videos about the history and evolution of some of America's most iconic vehicles. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you on the road soon.